Time may cause our bodies to change in ways we don't always want, but that doesn't mean you have to accept a frail and lackluster body. You can absolutely regain muscle strength, flexibility, and the youthful feeling of being 45 again, simply by committing to 7 simple daily habits. With just a few small changes, your body can gradually return to its strong, energetic, and vibrant state, allowing you to enjoy life to the fullest, without worrying about your age. 1. Walking every day. Walking is one of the simplest and easiest forms of exercise, yet it offers countless benefits that many of us often overlook. Just by dedicating 30 minutes each day to walking, your body will reap numerous benefits that can significantly enhance your health and vitality. Regular walking not only stimulates blood circulation but also improves the function of various organs in your body, bringing you renewed energy and strength. When you walk, your blood is pumped vigorously through the veins, helping to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the cells, especially the heart and brain. This process can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, strokes, and high blood pressure. Every step you take improves blood flow, supporting the body's flexibility and reducing symptoms related to poor circulation, such as muscle aches or numbness in the limbs. Walking is also an excellent way to reduce stress and anxiety. As you move, your body naturally releases happy hormones like endorphins and serotonin, which help lower stress levels and induce a sense of relaxation. Walking outdoors, especially in green spaces, provides an added benefit of fresh air and tranquility, helping you unwind and alleviate the fatigue and tension that come with a busy day. If you're struggling with stress or feeling overwhelmed, a simple walk can be a natural and effective remedy to boost your mood and mental well-being. Additionally, walking helps maintain endurance and flexibility, especially as we age. While more intense exercises may put strain on the joints and muscles, walking allows you to strengthen your body without putting too much pressure on your joints. This is especially important for older individuals, as walking helps preserve joint flexibility and reduces the risk of conditions like arthritis, osteoporosis, or knee pain. Even those in their later years can experience less joint pain and greater mobility by incorporating regular walking into their routine. Moreover, walking is beneficial for improving respiratory function, increasing lung capacity, and reducing the risk of respiratory illnesses. Like other physical activities, walking helps enhance metabolism, maintain a healthy weight, and regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that regular walking can lower blood sugar levels, improve conditions like type 2 diabetes, and reduce the overall risk of developing diabetes. Lastly, walking helps enhance balance and overall body coordination. When you walk, you're training your body's ability to maintain stability, which is crucial for preventing falls, especially in older adults who may experience a loss of balance over time. Walking doesn't require special equipment or a large space, just a comfortable pair of shoes and access to the outdoors. Whether you walk in the morning to enjoy fresh air or in the evening to unwind after a long day, making walking a daily habit can be transformative. Even just 30 minutes a day can bring noticeable changes to your body, improved health, a relaxed mind, and a rejuvenated sense of energy. 2. Stretching exercises. Stretching exercises are one of the most important habits to maintain flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and enhance muscle elasticity. Simple stretching routines not only help you relax after a long day, but also provide numerous long-term health benefits. Whether you're young or entering your middle years, regular stretching helps your body stay agile and full of energy. When performing stretching exercises, your muscles and joints are gently extended, increasing the range of motion and reducing stiffness. This is crucial, especially as we age, because our bodies naturally lose some flexibility over time. Stretching exercises help maintain the flexibility of your joints, reduce the likelihood of injury in daily activities, and enable your body to move more freely without strain or pain. Stretching is also an excellent method to alleviate muscle soreness, particularly after strenuous physical activity. When the body is stretched, tight muscles are relaxed, leaving you feeling more comfortable. In fact, stretching after exercise helps prevent injuries and speeds up muscle recovery, allowing your body to return to a ready state for the next workout. Moreover, regular stretching has positive effects on the nervous system. It helps you relax, reduces stress, and promotes a sense of calm. Gentle stretching exercises can improve the quality of your sleep, helping you sleep better and more deeply. If you often feel tired, anxious, or struggle with insomnia, stretching before bed can help you unwind and get a more restful night's sleep. In addition, stretching promotes blood circulation, ensuring that blood flows freely to vital organs throughout the body. This not only reduces fatigue but also improves cardiovascular health, making you feel stronger and more vibrant each day. Stretching can also help reduce the risk of lifestyle-related diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. The best time to stretch is in the morning after waking up or at the end of the day before going to bed. Just 10 to 15 minutes of simple stretches targeting the thighs, shoulders, back, and neck each day will lead to noticeable improvements in your flexibility and overall health. 3. Healthy eating. A healthy diet is essential not only for maintaining overall health but also for supporting muscle recovery and growth. To ensure that your body can effectively recover after workouts and maintain energy throughout the day, it's important to have a diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. A well-balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients to nourish your muscles, helping them grow stronger and more resilient. Protein is one of the most crucial components of any diet for maintaining and building muscle. Protein helps repair and rebuild muscle fibers that get damaged during exercise, allowing them to grow back stronger. High-quality protein sources like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and dairy products are excellent additions to your daily diet. In addition, vitamins and minerals play an indispensable role in maintaining overall health and supporting muscle recovery. Vitamin D, for example, helps the body absorb calcium, a crucial mineral for strong bones and effective muscle function. Vitamin C and E are also essential because they help protect muscles from oxidative damage and aid in healing muscle tissue after exercise. The B vitamins are vital as they boost energy production and support the body's metabolism. Furthermore, minerals like magnesium and potassium are important for maintaining muscle flexibility and reducing cramps. Magnesium is particularly essential for the nervous and muscular systems, helping the body relax and recover more efficiently after exercise. Potassium helps maintain electrolyte balance in the body, supporting stable muscle function and preventing fatigue. A healthy diet should also limit the intake of sugar and unhealthy fats, as they can contribute to fat accumulation and increase the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Consuming processed foods, fast food, or foods high in sugar and saturated fats can hinder muscle recovery and negatively affect overall health. Lastly, don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking enough water daily. Water is vital for maintaining balance in the body and supporting metabolism. During exercise, the body loses a significant amount of water through sweat, so staying hydrated is crucial for sustaining energy levels and helping muscles recover faster. A healthy eating plan not only helps improve muscle development but also boosts energy, enhances cardiovascular health, and keeps your skin and hair looking healthy. Prioritize your diet to ensure your body remains strong and healthy, achieving the best possible results from your exercise routine. 4. Drinking enough water. Drinking enough water is a crucial factor for maintaining the proper functioning of all body systems, especially in maintaining muscle elasticity and improving joint function. Water makes up about 60% of the body's weight, and dehydration directly affects health, energy levels, and the body's recovery capacity. When the body is dehydrated, muscles become stiff and harder to move, increasing the likelihood of cramps, muscle soreness, and fatigue. Water helps maintain the elasticity of muscle tissue, allowing muscles to stretch and contract more flexibly, reducing the risk of injury during physical activity. Keeping adequate hydration levels allows muscles to recover faster after each workout, keeping them strong and energized. In addition to muscles, water is vital for maintaining proper joint function. Joints, especially the knees and hips, require lubrication to reduce friction between bone surfaces, allowing for smooth movement without pain or damage. When the body lacks water, the fluid in the joints decreases, causing the joints to become stiff and more prone to injury. Drinking enough water helps maintain joint flexibility and reduces the risk of joint-related conditions such as arthritis and osteoporosis. Water also improves blood circulation, enabling blood to deliver oxygen and nutrients to organs throughout the body, including muscles and joints. This helps enhance cardiovascular health and ensures sustained energy throughout the day. By drinking enough water, you also support the digestive system, improving nutrient absorption and preventing digestive issues such as constipation. Especially during exercise, the body loses a significant amount of water through sweat. If water intake is not properly replenished, the body can experience electrolyte imbalances, leading to fatigue, dizziness, and even fainting. Therefore, drinking enough water before, during, and after exercise is crucial to maintaining performance and overall health. To ensure the body is always properly hydrated, aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, or around 2 to 2.5 liters. However, the exact amount may vary depending on physical activity levels, climate, and individual health conditions. While water is the best option for hydration, you can also supplement hydration with water-rich foods such as fruits and vegetables. 5. Getting enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for the body to recover and recharge, especially after physical exercise. Getting enough rest not only allows the body to rest but also supports muscle recovery, improves mental health, and maintains the proper function of organs. During sleep, the body not only rests but also regenerates cells, repairs damaged tissues, and rebuilds structures, helping the body become stronger and healthier. During physical exercise, muscle fibers are stretched and damaged, and sleep is the ideal time for the body to carry out recovery. While you sleep, the body releases growth hormones, HGH, which are crucial for muscle regeneration and growth. If you don't get enough sleep, the recovery process is disrupted, making it harder for muscles to heal, leaving you feeling tired and lacking energy. Therefore, getting enough sleep helps your body recover quickly, reduce muscle soreness, and improve overall muscle strength. In addition to supporting muscle recovery, sleep plays an important role in enhancing the immune system, helping the body fight off diseases and infections. A good night's sleep strengthens the body's natural defenses, reducing the risk of contracting illnesses and chronic diseases. Moreover, sleep helps maintain cardiovascular health and regulate blood pressure, which is especially important for those who want to keep their body healthy in the long run. Sleep also plays a crucial role in improving mental and emotional health. Lack of sleep can cause stress, anxiety, and depression, while getting enough rest improves mood, reduces tension, and enhances a positive outlook. For those who exercise or have a busy schedule, sufficient sleep boosts concentration and performance throughout the day. To ensure quality sleep, you should establish a regular sleep schedule, avoid factors that can disrupt sleep, such as using phones or computers before bed. Make sure the sleep environment is quiet, cool, and free from bright lights, as this will help you fall into a deep, uninterrupted sleep. Furthermore, getting enough sleep enhances cognitive function and memory, helping you stay sharp and alert during work and daily activities. Adequate rest not only restores the body but also helps you maintain mental flexibility, enabling you to achieve better results in life. 6. Maintaining a gentle exercise routine. Maintaining a gentle exercise routine is one of the best ways to keep the body healthy and the mind relaxed. Activities such as yoga, tai chi, or simply walking in the park not only help improve physical health but also play a significant role in reducing stress, anxiety, and promoting relaxation for both the body and mind. These exercises allow you to connect with your body and relieve the pressures of daily life. Yoga, with its flexible poses and deep breathing techniques, helps not only increase the body's flexibility but also calms the mind. Yoga exercises soothe tense muscles, alleviate back and neck pain, and can even improve sleep quality. Additionally, yoga stimulates the circulatory system, enhances flexibility, and helps you maintain long-term health. Regular yoga practice also helps develop focus and breath control, leading to relaxation for both the body and the soul. Tai Chi is a gentle martial art that is extremely effective in improving health. While the movements of Tai Chi are slow and deliberate, they have a powerful impact on enhancing balance, flexibility, and the body's overall mobility. Tai Chi also helps reduce stress, release negative energy, and foster peace of mind. Practicing Tai Chi increases blood circulation, soothes the nervous system, and maintains the body's agility over time. 7. Maintaining an optimistic mindset. Maintaining a positive and optimistic mindset is not just a mental habit but the key to feeling healthy and full of energy every day. A positive attitude helps reduce stress, improve mental health, and create a solid foundation for physical well-being. When you maintain a positive outlook, Your body responds in ways that help you face life's challenges, both physically and mentally, with greater resilience. A cheerful and optimistic mindset can lower the levels of stress hormones, such as cortisol, while boosting the production of happy hormones like endorphins and serotonin. These hormones not only improve mood but also bring relaxation and enthusiasm, providing motivation to start each day with positive energy. When you maintain an optimistic attitude, you will also experience less anxiety and depression, reducing the risk of health issues related to stress, such as heart disease, high blood pressure, or digestive problems. Research has shown that people with an optimistic outlook tend to live longer and have fewer serious health problems compared to those who live with a negative mindset. An optimistic mindset not only affects health but also enhances social relationships. With a positive attitude, you will find it easier to connect with others, creating a supportive and loving environment around you. Strong social relationships, along with the support and care of family and friends, help you overcome life's difficulties and maintain inner peace. Moreover, when you maintain a joyful spirit, you are more likely to find joy in the simple things in life. You will feel happier by enjoying small moments, such as watching the sunset, sipping a warm cup of tea, or laughing with friends. These moments help you feel at peace, happy, and more fulfilled every day. Whether in work or personal life, maintaining an optimistic mindset helps you face challenges more easily. A positive attitude not only helps you solve problems more effectively, but also helps you discover new opportunities, opening up a bright and promising future. With these 7 habits, you'll notice a clear difference, and your body will return to the peak condition of when you were 45. Start today to live a healthy and happy life forever. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming videos that will help you maintain your health, improve your fitness, and live fully every day. Together, we will overcome any challenge and live a strong, happy life.